Natural home remedies to get rid of wet cough. Eat mashed almonds. You might question how almonds might help for coughs. Well, you'll be surprised to understand that cough and its symptoms could be relieved by regular use of almonds. All you need to do is soak some almonds in water during the night. Make a coarse paste by peeling and grinding them the following morning. Then add sugar and butter towards the paste. Now grind the ultimate mixture again and consume it a minimum of 3 times per day. Drink lots of fluids. While there are many homemade remedies for wet cough, nothing works like water. Consuming lots of water or any other fluids works well for getting rid of the problem in the system. Furthermore, consuming fluids won't keep yourself hydrated, but it'll also release the phlegm. To easily remove phlegm when it's loose. So, keep consuming water during the day. Honey. Honey is yet another effective home cure for wet cough because it loosens the mucus. Besides, it functions an anti-inflammatory agent too. Mustard seed. Mustard seed contains sulfur that may stimulate the flow of mucus. All you need to do is take 1 teaspoonful of mustard seeds and insert them in a cup full of warm water. Now drink. This means to combine get rid of wet cough.